Multi-axis automatic drilling machine. Equipped with a one-button start-stop switch, foolproof automation, easy to operate, automatically drill 16 holes in 6 seconds, with a maximum drilling thickness of 10 mm. Multiple drills simultaneously drill out the workpiece without deformation, and the bottom surface of the through hole is free of burrs and the whole wall is smooth. Equipped with emergency safety switches to ensure the personal safety of operators and avoid work-related accidents. Drill countersunk screw holes in one go without the need for chamfering and drilling in multiple stages, more than 600 times more efficient than CNC machining centers. All switches for automatic positioning fixtures, drilling feed speed, and tool alignment are integrated on the control panel. The speed of drilling feed and retreat can be freely adjusted, and the operation is simple, convenient, and safe. Equipped with movable end positioning support, drilling workpieces of different lengths can be accurately drilled. The drilling distance can be adjusted left and right, and the minimum spacing between two holes is 40 mm. Adopting high-precision type nuts, elastic collet is easy to disassemble and drill with high accuracy.
9分衡机械